Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 6, that is indices, practice set 26. Here in question number 1 they have given one table. We have to complete this blanks. So before starting this, let me introduce the basics of indices. Suppose if I am writing this number 2 as 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2. It is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write this as 2 upon 2 raised to 5. Because 2 I have multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, I have written this 2. How many times it is? 5 times. So I have written this number and this form. That is 2 raised to 5. In that, this number which we write in this form, the lower one, down number, is called as a base. So 2 is what? Base. And the upper number is called as an index. It is called as an index, or it is also called by another name, exponent. What it is called as? Exponent. Down number it is called as a base, and the upper number is called as a index, or it is also called as exponent. Now how to read this number? It is read as 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to the power 5. Even it is the upper number is also called as power, 2 raised to the power 5, or even you can write like this also, 2 raised to 5, or fifth power of 2, or fifth power of 2. These are the ways you can read this number. The simple one is 2 raised to 5. The above number is called as a raise, 2 raised to 5. So this is the way you can read that number. The down number is called base, the upper number is called as an index. Now if suppose if I have written this number 3 times, 2, how many times I have written? 3 times. So it will be written as 2 raised to 3. Number 3 is called as a cube. So you can write this number as cube of 2. 3 you can write as 2 raised to 3 also you can read, but you can write in this way also, cube of 2. Suppose if 2 I have written only 2 times, so it is 2 raised to 2. So you can write this 2 as a square. What it is called as a square. So square of 2. You can read it like this also, square of 2, or even you can read as like this also, 2 raised to 2. Okay. So that's all for this exercise. Let's see. Start with this practice set 26. So see here, this complete the table. First one is already they have done 3 raised to 4. This number is. So base number, down number is called as a base, it is 3. The upper number which is written at the head of the 3, that number is called as a 4, that is index. Multiplication form means that number you have to write how many times. Above number is 4 times. So down number you will multiply that 4 times. And value means you have to multiply and get the answer. 3 3s is 9. 9 3s is 27. 27 3s is 81. That is the value. After multiplication what answer you get, that is the value. So let's do the second one. 16 raised to 3. So what is the base? The down number, you will write it here 16. What is the index? The above number is called as an index, that is the 3. Multiplication form means 16, down number you will multiply how many times? The above number it is index. So 16 you will multiply how many times? 3 times. 16 into 16 into 16. Now we have to find out the value. 16 into 16, we know the square. 16 into 16 is 256. 256 into 16. 6 6 is 36, 6 5 is 30, 33, 6 2 is 12, 12 and 3 15, 1 6 is 6, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 6 9 10 1 3 4096. So what answer you got? 4096. So after multiplying all this 16 together you will get the answer 4096. Now in third one, the first one is not given. They have given us base -8 and index they have given us 2. So let us make this number in index form. So -8 should be written down, base it is, and above number index should be written at top like this. So -8 raised to 2, that is the number. Then in multiplication form, that means -8 you will multiply how many times? 2 times. So -8 into -8. Now let's take the value. 8 8 is 64. And what about sign? Minus minus in multiplication becomes plus. Plus we don't put. So the answer is 64. Now let's see the fourth sum. They have not given any of these 3 columns. Just see here, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7. How many times? 3 upon 7, 4 times. So 3 upon 7. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will be written as like this to the top. So base is 3 upon 7 and index is 4, and values they are already multiplied. 3, 3, 3. 4 times if you multiply 3 you will get 81, and 7 times if you multiply down denominator you will get 4 times 2401. Now last one, minus 13 raised to 4. The base is minus 13 and index is 4. So minus 13 you will multiply how many times? 4 times. So let's multiply minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. Now let's answer it, multiply it. 13 13s are, we know the square. 13 13s is 169, 13 13s is 169. So 169 multiply by 169 2 times. So 9 9s is 81, 9 6 is 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 6 9s are 54, 6 6 are 36 and 5 41, 6 1s are 6 and 4 10, 1 9s are 9, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. Add it, 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, 10 and 5 15, 6 7 8 2, 28561. So what is the answer? 28561. And minus minus plus, minus minus plus, so no need of putting the sign. So here we got the answer 28561. So question number 1 we have done. Let's move to question number 2. Find the value. Just now in question number 1 in the last column we have done find the value. So let's do the same in the question number 2, find the value. The first number is 2 raised to 10. So 2 you will multiply how many times? 10 times. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10 times you have to multiply and you have to get the answer. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s is 128, 128 2s are 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 256, 4 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are 256, 256 into 4, 4 6 are 24, the 20 22, 4 2s are 8 9 10. It will be, if you multiply all these two together you will get the answer 1024. Next one, 5 raised to 3. So 5 you will multiply how many times? 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So answer you got, value you got 125. The third one, minus 7 raised to 4. So minus 7 you will multiply how many times? 4 times. So 7 7 is 49, 7 7 is 49. So 49 you will multiply 2 times. 9 9 is 81, 9 4 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 44 it will be. 4 9s are 36, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 10, 10, 14, 2401. How much it is? 2401. And minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So no need of putting plus sign. Fourth one, minus 6 3 raised to 3. So minus 6 you will multiply 3 times. 6 6 is 36, 36 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 is 18, 19, 20, 21, 2 1 6. Now about sign. This minus minus became plus, but one minus is remaining. So answer will be minus 216. 9 raised to 3. So 9 you will multiply 3 times. 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72, 729. What is the answer? 729. Now 8 raised to 1. Anything if 8 answer is raised to 1, 8 raised to 1, answer is same. You have to write the same. Anything raised to 1, the answer is same as it is. Now 4 upon 5 raised to 3. So 4 upon 5 you will multiply 3 times. Multiply all the numerators together, denominators together. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So the answer is 64 upon 125. Eighth one, minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4. So minus 1 upon 2 you will multiply 4 times. So all the numerators together. 1 1, how many times you will multiply? The answer is 1 only. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And about sign, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So the answer is 1 upon 16. So here we have completed our practice set 26. In the next part, I will upload practice set 27.